Welcome to the complete course on Autodesk PowerMill, an engaging and comprehensive program designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge needed to master one of the industry's leading CAM software solutions. Over the next few hours, you will delve into the world of advanced machining strategies, enhancing your capabilities in CNC programming and toolpath generation. This course is structured into several key modules, each focusing on different aspects of PowerMill. So the first module is Introduction to PowerMill. Learn about PowerMill capabilities, installation, and navigate the user interface effectively. Then we have 2D toolpath and machining strategies. Explore essential face milling operations and various 2D strategies, including curve area clearance and hole making operations. Third module is all about the 3D toolpaths and machining strategies, where we dive into advanced 3D machining strategies, including model area clearance and rest machining techniques. Then advanced finishing toolpaths and machining strategies, where we are going to understand various finishing methods in two parts, focusing on techniques such as offset, flow line, and radial finishing. Then fifth module is all about Introduction to 5-axis machining, where we are going to discover the complexities of 5-axis movements and specialized machining strategies for blades and hub. Sixth module is all about toolpath simulation. Familiarize yourself with advanced simulation features to ensure accuracy and safety in your machining processes. Seventh module is all about verification and output. Learn how to configure post-processes and generate machine code for seamless production. The eighth module is all about the final project. Apply all the skills you have learned in a comprehensive project, including documentation and presentation of your work. By enrolling in this course, you are taking a significant step towards enhancing your professional skill set. Each module is designed to build upon the last, ensuring thorough understanding of PowerMill and its applications. Through practical assignments and final projects, you will have the opportunity to apply your knowledge in real-world scenarios. Prepare to engage with dynamic content, interactive assignments, and supporting learning community. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any question as you progress through the course. We are excited to have you on this learning journey and can't wait to see the amazing projects you will create using the Autodesk PowerMill. So let's get started.